Oil is the fuel of the modern world. It powers our cities, moves our food, and shapes our lives in ways we rarely see. And yet, the world keeps asking, why can't we quit oil? The truth is far more complicated. Oil is not just a liquid, it is concentrated power. A single barrel holds more energy than years of human labor. It is dense, portable, and incredibly cheap. That combination changed everything. We think of oil as fuel for cars. Oil is not just energy. It is the foundation of modern life. Every part of global trade runs on oil. Cargo ships crossing oceans, planes moving people, trucks delivering everything we buy. Oil is the invisible engine that keeps the world moving. Renewables are growing fast, but the world still burns 100 million barrels of oil every single day. Replacing oil is not just about switching energy sources. It means rebuilding the entire global system, and that takes time. Oil is not just energy. It is power. It is influence. It is control. Nations rise and fall based on who controls the flow of oil. Pipelines, shipping lanes, global alliances, conflicts. Oil shapes the world map. The world is changing. Electric vehicles, hydrogen, advanced batteries, new materials. But the transition away from oil will be slow, complex, and uneven, because oil is not just fuel. It is the backbone of modern civilization. Oil built the world we live in. It powered our cities, fed our farms, connected our nations, and now we stand at a crossroads. A world trying to move forward while still holding on to the fuel of the past. This is why the world still can't quit oil.